in history. Look, no fear from Gomez there.
Hi guys, welcome back. So you might have seen such face swap to funny videos on social media like Facebook, Instagram pages and all. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to do such videos on your Android smartphone. So first of all, what you need is two applications. One is the background eraser and another one KineMaster. So I gave the direct link for these two applications in the description below, guys. So let's begin the process. First of all, launch background eraser app. From here we will pick up the face which we are going to swap. So I'll take my face here from this picture. This application is very easy, guys. First crop the main face, then to erase the other unwanted parts you can use the erasers. Manual is there and also magical eraser is there, you can use it. So like this, keep only the face part as you can see here. Then here smoothen the edges, I'll keep to 3. When you smoothen the edges, the final image will look good, guys, so it's mandatory as you can see. So now open up KineMaster. Video editor app. So allow access. Then here first of all import the main video. So I'll take this part of the video from the movie Welcome. I hope you all have watched this movie, guys. It's really entertaining one. So I imported this video. Next, import the face which we have cropped just now. Decide the duration of the video which you are going to edit. Rest of the part you can crop it out. So I will edit till 40 seconds till here. Then click on this scissor icon, then click on trim to right of play ad. Okay, so this much part of the video we will edit now. So that's why the second layer, that's my face, drag it till then, till 42 seconds as you can see. So the first work is done. Now what you have to do is play the main video and trim to the first scene. As you can see, after 1 second the scene changes. So till then you have to crop the second image. That's my face. So till here select the second image, the face, then trim, then here click on split. So we have got the first scene. So now you work on the first scene. Simply first adjust the face as per the original face size, Nana Patekar size. Then on left side you can see, guys, key icon, click on it. This is basically to use the animations and lock it to the background scene. So now it will track the background face and according to that it will move. However, you have to manually do it as you can see, but the animation will look natural. That's why you have to use this tool. So now you saw at 0.43 seconds Nana Patekar moves his face to the left side. That's why I'll move my face also to the left side. Select the key and then move to the left side, and also you can rotate it as you can see, adjust everything you can do here. Then click on tick mark on top right, you can see. Every time you adjust the animation you have to save it by clicking on the tick mark. That's done. It's moving as per the face in the background. So now we are into the second scene. So here also again click on key button and adjust the face according to the background scene like this as you can see. And for every second you have to work, guys. For every second you have to place the face as per the movement of the background. Only the animation will be taken care by the application. So you have to work carefully here. The more precise you work, the more perfect shot you get in the final video. So that's why. However, I am doing just to show you guys, so it won't be much perfect, but still I'll work and show you the final video. Then here the scene ends. Then this is the second scene. So here also edit like this as you can see. The camera is moving downwards, so you have to move your second image to the upward to match with the face. So that work you have to do here. So like this, guys, manage all the scenes here. Use the key button to adjust the animations, and you can trim out the unwanted scenes like this. Whenever Nana Patekar's face is not there in the scene, you can trim the image, second image. So like this you have to use KineMaster tool to adjust the face according to the background scene. And after doing all the work, click on the export button on the right top as you can see, guys. Click on it. Then here choose the quality of the video, frame rate, low, medium, high. Then click on export button. And that's how your final video will be exported. Now let me show you a part of the scene which I have edited.
अबे क्या कर रहे हो यार, क्या कर रहे हो? अरे भाई लड़की का बाप इधर है, इतना बड़ा आदमी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा तुमको यार? देखो यहाँ घोड़ा रोकना है, उतरना है, चल के आना है, लड़की के बाप से हाथ मांगना है, सिंपल है यार।
अरे ये नहीं ना रुकता, मैं
अरे भाई अपने आप नहीं रुकता है घोड़ा, रोकना पड़ता है, लगाम खींचना पड़ता है।
Isn't it funny? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. So that's how you can make face swap videos using KineMaster and background eraser applications. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, then hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.